These tricks are not cut your cable and stop getting takeout. These are simple, immediate ways to save money I bet you didn't know, and keep track. How many of these did you know? And we're starting out strong with one of my favorite places, Dollar Tree. Today's video is sponsored by Rakuten. 5 things I would immediately buy at Dollar Tree every week to save money. And the first are their dish soap. Did you know? Home Bright came out with a Dawn packaging dupe. This makes it really easy to squirt out onto your dishes. This is a great deal.
This is just 12.5 cents an ounce compared to 37 cents an ounce. You have that convenient packaging, and in my experience, it works just as well as the original.
And if you like Dawn Power Wash, the unsung hero is the Home Bright Ultra Foaming Dish Spray. It's virtually the same thing.
The spray on this was excellent. The cleaning was excellent too. And I think it even smells better than the Dawn Power Wash. I'd love to know what you think.
Dollar Tree also came out with a natural plant-based cleaning paste.
And by the packaging, it is so clear this is a dupe for the pink stuff, and the savings is really there. This is just 18 cents an ounce compared to 34 cents an ounce. If I'm gonna share it, I'm gonna compare it to the price of a larger quantity too. Like even when you buy in bulk, I wanna make sure you are still saving at Dollar Tree. I use this on glass shower doors. I also use this on glass stovetops. It worked famously well. I was really impressed with this product.
LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner is always a win. Not only is this great for surfaces, this takes out hair dye stains, this takes out blood stains, even stains that are set in. I would never leave Dollar Tree without this product.
Upholstery, carpet stain removers, those tend to be really expensive. This does just as well.
And the Dollar Tree sponges are fantastic. Make sure that you get the Brillo brand, and make sure that you look for the count on the packaging. Again, this is a 4-piece set, $1.25. These are great.
Save 50%.
Up next are toothbrushes, name brand toothbrushes. And they even have economy packs, which I think are great for travel. I typically skip the toothpaste. I find it's cheaper at Walmart, but any flossers are a really great deal here. Always look at the quantity. 60 flossers here, 75 for the same price. Up next are select condiments. Remember, Dollar Tree does accept manufacturer coupons. Condiments are going to beat Walmart's prices.
And I'm keeping it real with you. Spices, not anymore. Most of these are $1.24 at Walmart, so you're better off getting your spices there. But condiments like your hot sauce, your chili sauce, barbecue sauce, even ketchup is better at Dollar Tree.
Distilled vinegar, always a deal. Estimated retail for this basket, taking into account the price per ounce, is right here. And the Dollar Tree price is right here. That is significant savings.
But here's the thing, when it comes to groceries, I tend to shop at Aldi over Walmart. I think the prices are better, and I have a secret hack that's gonna help you save even more.
Tip number 2, when it comes to my groceries, I like to shop at Aldi, and I like to shop through Instacart. What is so cool about shopping online is I'm less likely to have impulse splurge purchases. And what you can do to save even more money is get cash back by shopping Instacart through Rakuten. Hear me out, because there's recipes too. This is super cool. All you want to do is download the Rakuten app. I have been using it for years to save thousands on shopping I was doing anyway. From travel to Groupon, Macy's, Sephora, Kohl's. This is a totally free app that you put as an extension on your browser or right on your phone. All you do is click on the store you want to shop at and shop normally. So I'm going to click on Instacart, and then through Instacart, I'm going to shop Aldi. And what I love about Instacart Aldi is there's recipes already in the app. These are super delicious recipes already laid out for you, and there's a list of all of the ingredients you need plus the prices, so you can make sure you're shopping within your budget. Aldi is one of my favorite grocery stores to shop at. This is a German grocery store. The reason Aldi can keep their prices so low is it's generic brands, but they're super high quality, tons of organic merchandise, and it's kind of set up like a warehouse store, so there's less labeling and curating, but that means you get rock bottom prices.
Shopping in store is great, but if you are a big impulse shopper, the online shopping offers you the opportunity to only buy exactly what you need, and you still get those savings.
And hear me out. If you've never used Rakuten, if you sign up using my link in the description, you will get a $40 welcome bonus, totally free, with your first qualifying purchase. That is literal $40 free dollars back into your pocket.
We talked food, and now we've got to talk about skin and body care.
I've got lots of dupes in this video, and I want to give you a super goop dupe. When it comes to skincare, the number one thing you can do is protect your skin from the sun. This is an awesome sunscreen, and it's also $36. I've talked about it before, but I recently found that e.l.f. makes a super goop near direct dupe.
My favorite $36 sunscreen has a near direct dupe. This is the e.l.f. invisible sunscreen that is only $14. It glides on your skin. It's perfect for summer coming up. I'm not going to gatekeep anything. Opalex dupes. Hair care is expensive. You can get a near direct formula by the Lacura brand. You can find this at Aldi. Also, a Bobbi Brown dupe is also at Aldi. This one retails for just $6 and it is awesome. It's such a beautiful primer base. And I also love their hair oil, their honey hair oil. The Lacura brand is only $5 at Aldi. It's awesome. And the trend of tubing mascara in 2025, this is over $20 at most places. I love Thrive Cosmetics, but I love e.l.f. even more. Y'all, this product is $7 at Ulta. This is my base mascara I wear every day. I'm a huge fan of e.l.f. and I always stack it with Rakuten cash back. At the filming of this video, Rakuten has 15% cash back at Ulta. So in addition, I put the sunscreen and mascara in my cart. I get 15% cash back and use the code 130821. It will give you an additional $3.50 off. This is from Rakuten too. Once I get my cash back, this will be less than $15. And I've had so many questions lately on how to save big by getting things for free. And that's what this part of this video is. Just hear me out.
So my next trick is to go to your library to rent items that you need. We know that our library is a great source for books and free activities, but lots of libraries offer free rentals. Many of you were asking, Kathryn, I don't have a Cricut. How can I get a Cricut? Many libraries, like my local one, offer one that you can sign up to come use.
Looking for something to do this Memorial Day or this summer? My library had book club kits. These are 10 books all together, discussion questions all at once. You can create your own book club. It even had board games that you can rent. This is so fun, so you don't have to spend money buying more. They had a puzzle swap as well as a book swap, all free. But think beyond the library basics. If you need to rent power tools, electric items, or gardening tools, even things to repair your bicycle, consider checking your local library. This is just a list of all of the types of things some libraries will carry.
My husband was also telling me that our library can schedule time with the 3D printer, which I think is super cool too. Tip number 5 is another totally freebie. Buy nothing groups on Facebook. These are fantastic if you're looking for something specific. What I like to do is find a local buy nothing group near you, type in the search bar exactly what you need, and so many people are giving these away for free. If you need kids items, maybe furniture for your house, something really simple, you can find this locally on Facebook Marketplace. It's also a great way if you're decluttering and you have things to donate, let it go, pass it on with purpose to somebody who could actually use it.
Just this week alone, I saw fish tanks, beautiful planters, this adorable child's bike, brand new, unopened cleaners, and the furniture game was on point. And all of it is totally free, hence buy nothing. This was a curbside buy nothing find that I also picked up. And with stuff like this, sometimes it requires a little bit of elbow grease or some reimagining. But listen, if it's free or from the Dollar Tree, it's for me. I took this piece and I sanded it down using a 220 grit, and then I went over it with a polyacrylic finish. I already had this in my garage. So I took this curbside find from this to this, and it was done for almost completely free. These ideas are available to you, and I hope this video is giving you lots of them.
And I think this trick is one of my favorites of the video. Use your community. I feel like lots of times we've gotten away from true community in our lives, right? Like we're so independent, we're on our phones, or we're by ourselves. I am a rock, I am an island. But when you start asking people, making friendships with your neighbors, texting somebody, hey, I'm looking for a long rectangular table for our driveway birthday party we're having. Does anybody have one? We have a local community group Facebook page, and lots of people are asking if somebody can borrow a costume that they need, or a table, or something for their backyard. In my experience, neighbors have been excited to try to help out somebody else by doing something small. A power washer is another great one that you can ask to borrow. And we have saved a lot by just asking friends, people around us, hey, can we borrow that? And then you get to return the favor in the future. I also feel like it depends on where you are, kind of how this is. I'm gonna tell you a quick story. So my husband and I had just gotten married, and we were driving down from Michigan to North Carolina where our new residence was. And we had every wedding gift in the back of the car. Our car ended up breaking down in West Virginia, and the people there were so amazing. They did not even know us, and they were like, listen, Your car broke down. I know a guy down the road who's gonna tow your car for you, and they're closed right now, but since all your wedding presents are in the back, they're gonna let you in and you can sit in the back lot until tomorrow, and then the other guy is gonna come in and fix it. Like, we've got you. I didn't even know these people, and we were treated like family. It was just so beautiful to me, and I always remember that. When you see somebody who could use an extra something, even if you don't know them that well, really, it's no extra skin off your back to be kind, and I think that is so beautiful. Saving, I love you so much. Be sure to get your $40 free welcome bonus, share it with a friend, all that good stuff. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. Catch you soon.